today we have our full plate. These two breads, Georgian breads, carrots, cooked ham, some nuggets, and some cereal. What about yours, Mama?
I have salad, feta salad. I have bread with butter and jam. I have this cheese pizza. I have 2 nuggets. I have teriyaki rice. I have pickles, olives, and I have salami. You have ham. That's it.
Okay.
Coffee.
Coffee.
So today is a feast because this will be our last breakfast here in
Yes.
Well, yeah.
Inang, what about bread?
Naanak ko, pero wala na ko giinit.
We're gonna ask Tinang,
Gahi, pag init nun.
what is your breakfast for
This is my
today?
breakfast.
She has 3 cheese, some salami and ham, two
Wala pa.
like 2 nuggets, salad, cucumbers, a boiled egg, cheese pizza. Okay, so that is all.